everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm here to share with you guys some wax seals that I made kind of in a bunch, and I had some ideas floating around in my head, and I thought I'd share them with you. So first of all, I wanted to be upfront and let you guys know that Craspire reached out to me to try out their products, so I've gotten these products for free, but I wanted to share with you guys my process of using them. This is my second video featuring Craspire, and this first section is just me melting some wax. They came in a little kit, and I thought I would just do a simple paw print seal, and I'm working on a non-stick surface. You know, you can use baking sheets or whatever, but I did that little paw print, I lifted it up, and then I decided I was going to use a silver Sharpie marker just to color up and so you could see more clearly this adorable paw print with the heart at the center of the paw print. Isn't that cute? So the next one I'm doing, I melted up some silver wax and I'm putting it over some thin red satin ribbon, just a little scrap that I had in my stash, and I'm doing a little pouring over the center area after I had folded it over. And again, I'm just using that little paw print. I'm waiting for it to set. I've sped up this video, so it's actually waiting a little bit longer than the length of this video, but I tested out by lifting it up, and isn't that so stinking cute? I think these two are going to be great to put on the outside of an envelope or on front of a card. And that's the little seal stamp that you can see there. I'm melting some more wax, this time in a red. And I've twisted up a little bit of two tiny little flowers. Sorry, it's out of focus here, but they were little paper flowers. And I put that at the base before I poured it over the wax. And aren't those so sweet? You could use this technique with like lavender, dried lavender, which I didn't have, but I had these paper flowers and I think it looks so sweet. I'm adding a third little flower that I had ripped off by accident. I'm using some multi-purpose glue there and I'm gluing that on. Actually, off camera, I added two more little tiny flowers so that it becomes like a little bouquet. There's 5 there, and you can see that's the stamp. That's the completed look. I've paired it with some of the little paw prints, and I'm going to share with you guys, I use that silver Sharpie marker again so that the little puppy, the Zodiac dog, would pop, and I love how that looks. Now I'm doing this one more time. I kind of have a blend of the red and the silver, and actually also some specks of the burnt wax got stuck in there, but it's fine because I can cover that up with that silver Sharpie metallic marker. But I'm using the clock that came with the whole kit, the starter kit that I had ordered, and I'm just waiting for it to set. And I've kind of jiggled it a little bit there, but it didn't seem quite dry. So here we go. When I lift it up off of that nonstick surface, look at how cute that is. And the little dark specks I covered up, not a problem with that silver metallic Sharpie marker. This time I have some little stamen with some pale green. I thought this one would be nice for like a spring or Easter card. And I'm using some gold wax, pouring that over. And then this time I'm using the monogram that I had them design. Well, I designed it, sent them the image, and then they made a custom monogram of my initials for this one. And I'm just, again, waiting for it to set. But I can't wait to show with you guys. So when it lifts up off of that nonstick mat, and then I decided I was going to color it up with a pink Sharpie marker to kind of repeat the pink stamens of this little tiny, I wouldn't call it a bouquet, but I guess just a little floral element. And I think this came out so pretty. I can't wait to use this on an Easter card that I plan to send once I get it made. I have these ideas floating around in my head. I just haven't had a lot of time to do a lot of crafting. But isn't this sweet? I love being able to add a little pop of color. And that's my monogram. That's the seal that I had made with my initials. And this is just a little quick sampling of a bunch of seals that I made all at once. I don't have to get out all my supplies over and over. I have them all made and I have them in a little trinket dish and they're ready to go whenever I want to use them. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day. If you enjoyed this process video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.